are coming over. They're gonna be here in like 40 minutes and I haven't even gotten ready. I look so disgusting. I've been like super sick all day. Not like sick, the flu, I just haven't been feeling well. So I'm throwing together the charcuterie board right now. This is everything that I got, so I'll do a little time lapse of me putting this together. And then I just have some Côte de Rosé and some Waving Plains vodka and this little candle lit. We have the fireplace on. I put my string lights on outside, and yeah, I just like deep cleaned everything. So let's do this. No idea what I'm doing, but whatever. We'll put it together and just make it work. So freaking excited. We ordered filet mignons. We're doing girls night right. So we're changing into our Christmas kind of like comfy cute clothes, and I'm just wearing these red plaid, I guess what are these, sweats?
Yeah,
sweats from Abercrombie, and then this top from Joa Brown, super cute. And then Abby is on her way, she's almost here. Abby just got here and she's wearing her cute Christmas onesie. Come here, Sophie. Down, and she just gave us our little Christmas gifts, and we're taking some photos, and then we're going to eat. Alrighty, my beautiful YouTube fam, we are ending girls' night. It's only, what time is it? It's only 10:49 and we are just so tired. We had steaks, the charcuterie board, desserts. What are you guys looking at? Oh, the green lipstick? Yeah. It's green and then it turns pink on your lips.
What the hell? Why?
It's cool.
Why would it do that?
Why? What is the purpose? It's cool. It changes to the, like it adjusts to the color of your lips of what it's supposed to be. Guys, don't forget to click that like and click that subscribe button. That way you're notified when I post new videos every single week. They're trolling. But no, really, go follow Abby's channel and then follow Nikki on Insta.
Growing YouTube, just trying to be like
Yes, I look like a marshmallow.
You do look like a marshmallow.
Good night, everybody. Never give up on your dreams.
That's
Good night,
it. Good day, YouTube. So today is Saturday. Last night was Friday. Abby and I are meeting up and we are doing some Christmas shopping at South Coast Plaza. And we're going to take some Instagram pictures and just have a continued girls weekend. So I thought I would take you along with us and just share with you our day. Okay, I feel like my outfit is so extra, but I've been wanting to recreate this outfit for a while, so why not? I'm wearing some below the knee boots, a black skirt, black tank, and then this leather overcoat. And yeah, I'm bringing a change of clothes, just some regular jeans and a white t-shirt to be more comfy. This is just more so for the Instagram photos. Okay, we are, well, I am in Zikar and I am getting ready to go pick up Abby. Ooh, she's coming. She's on her way. Let's see, let's see. Hi. Okay, what is she wearing? We're like opposites. I'm wearing all black and she's wearing white. Oh, sorry. Hi! Say hello to the vlog fam.
Hey, vlog fam.
So we are at South Coast Plaza and despite COVID, it is so busy. Well, but then again, they have like this whole parking lot blocked off.
Everybody's doing their last minute shopping.
It is. We're guilty of it too. But we'll see what it's like. It's a pretty big mall. I'm sure they have like limited capacity at the stores and we're just going to go to like the generic big ones to make it easy. Okay, so we found our first destination that we're going to try to get a little Insta photo shoot in. So let's try it out. Into South Coast Plaza. Let's do it. Okay, I am at the car wash here in Irvine and the line is just so long. The sun is about to set and it's only 4:09. Okay, so we are in the car wash and I am so pissed because this lady just cut in front of me and I was trying so bad not to honk, not to have road rage. I was like, I'm gonna have to get out of my car and vacuum it and I don't want to deal with her. But every inch of me wanted to be so confrontational, but I was like, what am I gonna do? Like, what am I gonna do? So, yeah. Not today, say it, not today. Okay, also if you guys haven't seen my car at night, this is what it looks like. It's pretty fun. It's like riding in a little limo DJ kind of situation. I am currently in line to get in and out. Signature across palm trees, but yeah, it's 5:51. Hi my friends, so I am back. I ate my In-N-Out and I just feel a lot better. I'm in my sweatpants and I just feel rejuvenated. I think I just really needed to like relax for a second and eat. Also, that noise in the background, I'm watching YouTube videos, so don't mind that. But I just kind of wanted to open my Bright Cellars wine subscription box with you guys and share with you the wines that I got. Let me change my battery, it's about to die. Ooh. Wow, this is fancy. Pretty blocks. Brands we love. Don't tell me this is another like, oh, and here's a coupon for another subscription. It is. It is. I don't need more. No. FabFitFun, you got me on the Bright Cellars, but I'm not subscribing to anything else. I won't do it. The Tasting Board $27 gift card. Look at them. They are coming for me with these subscriptions. I can't. I'm not even gonna look at them. I'm just gonna put them back in the box. Okay, I'm actually going to get my phone and take like a little Instagram story because these wines look gorgeous. They're so aesthetically pleasing. I can't wait to show you, but first I gotta take a little Instagram story of this. Okay, we're back in business. Look how amazing this is. So it came stacked on top of one another, and then there are these cards here that I think describe each wine, if I'm correct. It does. So Calypto, this is really cool. I'm actually very impressed with this. Okay, aesthetically, this one's my favorite. This one's a red blend. Hearst and Heim, I think this is one that I got really excited about because it was the first one that popped up on my wine quiz. Merlot, Jetbird, Cabin 5. I think I've seen this one in the grocery store, and I've seen this one in the grocery store. I've never seen this one. Southeastern Australia. Cards tell you what's in the blend of each of the wines, which I think is really cool. I mean, this whole thing with my discount was 50 bucks. Okay, so I actually have all of my Christmas gifts and gift wrap and cards all laid out here on this setup, so I am just going to spend the next 1 or 2 hours wrapping gifts, getting that knocked out of the way, and yeah, that's gonna be my night tonight. I'll do a little bit of a time lapse of me wrapping some gifts. Also, because this vlog won't be up until probably the day of Christmas, I don't really mind showing you guys what I got for my family and friends. So I'll unbox everything here and then show it to you all. Okay. So I got my sister and my mom the Vitruvi essential oil diffuser, the stone one. I know they commented on my videos and mentioned to me personally that they really wanted one. So I got them an oil diffuser. These are super awesome gift ideas, so it's not too late to give a late Christmas gift. Sophie, seriously? I kind of want to keep the packaging in here a little bit similar because I'm going to use this box to send it back for Christmas, which I'm really sad. I'm like, dang it, I really wanted it to be there on time for Christmas. Oh my gosh. I feel like I just murdered the wrapping of this. Like, it doesn't look that bad, but I really gave up and just started like crunching and scissoring the ends because I didn't cut it short enough. It was still too long when I tried to fold it down. Guys, I am not like an expert gift wrapper, but that was pretty sad what just happened. I didn't get it on camera. I think it was too embarrassing to show on camera, but look, oh no. It's okay. It's okay. The wrapping paper is still cute. So now stocking stuffers. So Tiffany, my sister, she's getting the essential oil diffuser, some fuzzy socks, these really cute hair ties from Ulta, and a Target gift card. So we love that. And yeah, I think I'm going to put it in like a mini box for her.
Anyone else want wine?
Cute. Ooh, and we got Dad an Apple Watch. What?
A lot of fun. It's the weekend. It was a fun day. We went on the boat, and it was our close friend's birthday, and we just all hung out on the boat all day. Well, we got brunch and walked around and like had a little cute date first.
So you know what? I think because I don't have to and from stickers, I have 10 of these $5 Starbucks cards. And I think I'm just going to use the Starbucks gift card as a name tag for everyone. Kind of smart though, right? Kind of smart. Look at my little princess. Look at my little princess. Hanging out over there. Look at you. Okay, this is the progress so far, and to say I'm tired would be an understatement. And then I actually got my mom a treadmill for Christmas, and I don't think it'll come in until much later. So I think what I'm going to do is wrap a box so she can at least open something. And then right on here, like, got you a treadmill. And then stick a gift card in there, and then that way it's like at least something to open and be excited about. So I think I'll do that. Okay, so I am all done. These are all the gifts with the exception of a small little bag. I ran out of big boxes to put them in, so I'm going to wait till I get home. My mom has some extra gift bags at her house. I don't have any here, and yeah, I am all done. I have to pack my sister's gift into here and mail it out tomorrow.